We ready? Are we rolling? Oh, we are? Oh, hello everybody, welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley, and again, as always, I have a system here. We're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna tell you what's going on in this bad boy, and I'm gonna convince you why you should have one. Everybody should have one, really. Per tradition, really, it's a gaming PC. You know, because the workstations and stuff, that's more Joe. I focus on the gaming stuff. So we're gonna talk about what's in here as always. Some pretty bad stuff in here. So let's break it down, shall we? Alrighty, so what is in this beautiful system? A motherboard, CPU, GPU, PSU, and a case. All right, have a good one, I'm out. But no, seriously, that was really bad, I know. So what is actually in this system is gonna be motherboard. You have your GIGABYTE Z390 AORUS. Your processor is going to be a 9900K because that's a fan favorite, you know, for the price that you pay for it, which is about $450. I mean, you're getting the best bang for your buck. You know, everybody knows that. You know, look everywhere. Twitter, Reddit, here, AVADirect, YouTube. We'll tell you the same. It's a really awesome processor. You also have a GIGABYTE 2080 Ti AORUS. Which is obviously it's a 2080 Ti, so it's gonna be able to run all the major titles. You can't go wrong with it, really. You have 32 gigabytes of CORSAIR Dominator Platinum RGB memory. I messed that up a couple takes ago. You won't ever see it. But one thing I do want to point out, and this will probably be on B-roll, Brooke put it on B-roll, is I really like the way this memory looks. I've actually never really looked at this said particular memory, but the design of it to me is very modern, sleek. It's very flashy and nice. It's really nice. Another thing I do want to point out is you can see how the graphics card is mounted in an untraditional way. So to be able to do that, you have to have a riser card, which again in B-roll, Brooke did it in B-roll, you can see that is what causes it to be mounted this way. I like it. I think it's a lot more, it shows off your card more, but again, that's personal preference. You know, a lot of people just prefer, you know, slapping it in there and going with the way it needs to be. This person said, hell no, I don't want to do that. I want it this way, and here we are, okay? So a couple other things in here that we have is an ASUS Xonar audio card. I mean, if you have a really awesome headset and standalone mic and all that good stuff, why not? Rounding off everything with the rest of the components in this bad boy, we have an HX850i Platinum power supply. It's 850 watts and it is CORSAIR branded. We are also going to have a Samsung 1TB M.2 SSD in this bad boy. We also have a Western Digital 4TB black HDD. Me personally, you know, a lot of people, I've seen a lot of days that people are cutting out HDDs. Now, don't flame me for that. That's just what I see. I personally like having HDDs. I have 2 HDDs in my own system at home, more or less for backup files and things like that, and games that I don't really play, but will play one day. It's nice to have. Brooke agrees with me. She's shaking her head. I promise you, she's not drinking her coffee. I swear. We also have some CORSAIR LL120 RGB fans in here. I do believe we have a set of 3. Oh. That's, you know, they're good fans. They add some lighting to it. You can't go wrong there. And for the lighting kit, we do have a CORSAIR Node Pro. Yes, it's a Node Pro. Can't speak today. It's actually early in the morning. You just don't know it. And I'm not awake. But here we are. And then to top it off, you have a 680X CORSAIR case. It's a really nice case. Me personally, I don't like the cube, but you know, it's too wide. But overall, it's a really beautiful, it is a beautiful case, just not for me, but it could be for you. Could be. Now, what can you do with something like this? Well, it's very cut and dry. You have a 2080 Ti and you have a 9900K. You can do quite a bit of stuff with it. You know, gaming, you can do whatever you want. Gaming and streaming, obviously. And you could also do some, you know, professional work. Compile some videos like Brooke does to make me look pretty. And not so fat, really. You could do that, you know, if you're into audio mixing. Really, I'm just telling you, you need one of these, okay? you need one of these. And where can you get one? You go to AVADirect.com and you configure one. Simple as that. You reach out to sales, pick up the phone. It's simple as that. Just do it. Just really, just do it. But really, honestly, it's a really awesome system and we would love to build one for you. So with that being said, I've rambled on enough. I need more coffee in my life. And honestly, I need the system in my life too. So I'm just gonna kinda, you know, just cut it, Brooke. I'm taking off with it. All right, it's mine. Goodbye. Oh, did you really cut it? Oh. Wasn't done. Did you now? Oh, we're still going? I gotta get out of here, man. You guys have a good one. I'll see you next time around. Goodbye.
If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, @AVADirect.